Hello, good morning, everyone. Today I will be taking Pablo Neruda's poem Keeping Quiet. You can see that today I am taking the poem Keeping Quiet. And in this poem I would like to tell you that what the poet wants to say here. Poet is saying that everybody is rushing, collecting materialism, wanted to complete their goal, wanted to achieve their goal, because they all are afraid of their death. They know the death is very soon and the time is too short. So within that shorter time, they want to achieve everything, more and more thing. They are rushing behind it. As I tell you that the poet here requests everyone to count 12 as the line begins with here, now we will count to 12. यानी हम अब 12 तक गिनेंगे. These 12 can be considered as the 12 hours of the day or the 12 months of the day. During this lockdown, all the people are keeping quiet. They are not rushing out of the house for achieving their goal. Even they are sustaining their life in the home with their family members. They are enjoying the moment with their family members. Such kind of enjoyment is pleaded by this poet Pablo Neruda, a Nobel Prize winner. He's the winner of Nobel Prize, and he said that people should not run. Instead, they should count 12. He says that people should count 12 till their minds to stop for a while. As you know, a lot of scholars have said, when you want to quench your anger, you want to control your anger, then you have to count 12. Yeah, just tight your fist. Same way here, Pablo Neruda asked the people to count 12 for a while to stop all the words. Maybe these 12 may count 12 hours of a day or 12 months of a day. He says here that everyone to stop and calm down. He also says that everyone not to speak any language, because language may be different. People speak very different language. Some speak polite, some speak rude, some speak Punjabi, some speak Hindi, some speak Tamil, some speak Telugu. So in these diversities, the views may not be similar. People cannot match with one another. As we all know that different languages is spoken in different parts of the earth, which sometimes become a barrier in our way of peace. So for maintaining peace, for gaining peace, the Pablo Neruda says people to stop for a while. That is, he means to say we will count at 12. He wants us to stop moving our arms. He wants us that we will not speak any words, then we will not harm others. If we will not move our hands, we will not, hurt others. As he said that when the fisherman will stop going to the seashore, they will not catch the fish, they will not, the salt collector will not collect the salts, then they will not harm their hands. So lot of, when we stop, we sustain for a peace. And he also says that if we will not be involved in the war, we will not raise the weapon, then it will not bring any kind of destruction. We will not be involved in the war against each other, then there would be a silence. So he wanted to ask the people that please demand for the peace. He is demanding for the peace. So keeping quiet is such a nice poem. I will read a stanza of it. Please listen to me so that you can guess what he wanted to say. Now we will count to 12 and we all keep still For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arm so much. Yani that is 1 second only we stop, that will bring a peace to us. And now it's a great demand of peace. Peace is demanded everywhere. All over the world, on the earth, we all are demanding peace. And that is why Pablo Neruda, pleading everyone, urging everyone not to move their hands, not to speak words or any language, so that not to raise the weapon, that will bring a kind of peace and that will sustain the world. He asked also people not to rush behind the materialistic things, not to collecting, the things, not to achieving goals. Instead, he is asking to maintain peace. He is asking to achieve silence. The poet, urges everyone to count 12. Up to count 12 in his mind means to, hold the peace in their mind. To stop working for a while. And this is very much required. Weekend, what is weekend? Weekend, we are celebrating weekend in the, metropolitan cities, people are enjoying weekend. So what is weekend? Weekend is a kind of end of the day where people do not work. People just rejoice with the peace with their family members, and they do not think, they do not rush. That is called weekend. The Sunday is made as a holiday. It is also made for sustaining peace in the mind. If you are not peaceful in the mind, then your mind will not achieve the goal or the target which you required or needed. So here I would like to say a lot of devices have been used, unity among the people and peace on the earth will be also maintained. If you are following this poem of Pablo Neruda, a lot of devices have been used in this poem, like assonance is a kind of literacy device that is sounding O and E. We will count to 12, not to move our arms so much. So here the vowel sound O and E is consecutively used here. And the another that is anaphora. Anaphora is a device that is used for bringing like two lines together, two consecutive lines starting with the word let's. When any two lines let's started, let's is in the beginning of the line, that is called the anaphora. And just for example, I tell you, let's not speak in any language, let's stop for 1 second. So let's two times coming in the twice of the line at the beginning. So this kind of device is called anaphora. And the alliteration is also found here, like the repetition of consonant sounds and the start of two or more closely placed words. For example, we will. The W is particularly found here in the repetition. So that is called alliteration. So this is all about, I wanted to tell you. More stanzas are there that say it would be a exotic movement without rush, without energies. We would be all be together in a sudden, strangeness. So many lines are there. Please read your poem, go through the poem, and the total explanation, total summary of this chapter is saying that the poet urges here to stop running behind the materialistic things, stop chasing the things or the goals. Instead, count 12 to sustain peace in the mind, and that will bring strength in the world, that will bring unity in the world, that will bring fraternity in the world. It is the poet asked to avoid everything which is against the peace, against the humanity, and against the a lot of things. So this is all about I wanted to tell you in this stanza. I'll be sending you more videos for this. Thank you.